What is technical analysis in Forex? Simply put, it is a set of tools in your hands to study the market and make your trading decisions. Each candlestick, or a bar, or a point on the chart represents the opinion of millions of traders. This is exactly what the balance of supply and demand looks like at any given moment. We will explain specific tools in our next videos, but for now, let's delve deeper into the essence of tech analysis. Traders set a price at which they are willing to buy or sell a particular asset. If buyers believe that the asset's value will go up in the future, they agree with the initial offer and buy it up. Seeing buyers' interest, traders then drive the prices up. This growth is reflected in the chart, and if a buyer is not ready to buy the asset at a suggested price, the seller is forced to lower it. The chart then shows this downward movement. A tech analyst isn't interested in specific reasons for the price movement. They leave these reasons for the crowd to reflect on. What interests them is the mood of the market and the cardiogram of the player's behavior. All they have to do is look at how quotes and trading volumes are changing on the chart. The technicians use multiple tools and techniques and base their trading on various principles. Trending means that price tends to move in one direction for an extended period of time. Resistance and support levels indicate a price level that may prompt a net increase of either selling or buying activity. Breakouts occur when prices break through the lines of prior support or resistance. As a rule, breakouts are accompanied by an increase in volume. Chart pattern is formed by the movement of security or commodity prices. To compare, fundamental analysts examine earnings, dividends, assets, quality, ratio, new products, research, and the like. Technicians seek to identify price patterns and market trends in financial markets and attempt to exploit these patterns. This is what tech analysis is in a nutshell. To trade cautiously and responsibly, consider enlisting the services of a trusted broker like FXOpen.